Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring LuvMe Hair. Big shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So this is the packaging. These are the free gifts. LuvMe Hair always comes through with the bomb free gifts. Okay, so into this unit, this is a highlight C-part frontal bob unit. This did come in a defined C part, but because it's a frontal, you can part this anywhere, so you have the versatility to part it on the left, on the right, or down the center. I will show you what each part looks like. So the knots on this one did come pre-bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked, but I did go in and I plucked a little bit of the hairline. The lace is very, very durable. This is a strong lace, so you don't have to worry about this ripping or tearing. So although this had a really nice fit and you can wear this glueless, I decided to use an adhesive. So we're going to cut the lace off, and then I will use the ORS wig grip to adhere her down, and then I will be back towards the end of the video. So that was the C part curve that it came. That's the C part curve that I received it in, but I am showing you what it looks like if it was parted on other sides. To be honest, I really like the way this looks as a center part. That was my absolute favorite. So that is the style that I did at the end, but for tutorial purposes, I will show you what it looks like parted on each side. So this is the finished result. I absolutely love it. Like, oh my God, this bob is so fire. I love that little playful hint of color while it's in the center part. It's like very subtle, but the versatility of this wig is bomb because if you want to show a lot of color, like if you want to really pop out one day, you could do a side part, which, or when you part it to the side, show a lot more blonde. So I like the versatility. So shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.